Hey guys, it's Alea.
And it's me, Summer.
Welcome to our channel.
Today we're going to be decorating a doll room for Alea's birthday.
We have the basic structure,
so now it's time to decorate.
Let's make the bed first. Measure the doll on a piece of cardboard, width and length. Then cut it out. You can choose to fold in the sides or you can choose to cut them out. Cut out the headboard and the footboard. Then add cardboard to strengthen the bed. Then cover the sides, the footboard, and the headboard with paper. Then glue them to the sides of the bed. After covering it with paper, we can add the bedding. Add some pillows, and you're done. Now that the bed's done, let's make the dresser.
First, grab a recycled box that's up to the doll's waist. Then cut the unnecessary tabs. Now that the box is done, let's cover it with some paper. Now that we're done covering it, we can measure and cut some faux drawers. Cover them with paper and glue it on. Finally, add the beads and we're done with the dresser. Now, let's decorate. These walls need some color. So, we grab scrapbooking paper and cardboard, glued them together to make paintings. But Alea, where are you going to keep all of these?
We make shelves by cutting and measuring pieces of cardboard and cover them with paper. We also added more cardboard for extra support.
Now let's add some details.
We made a quick journal by gluing pieces of scrapbooking paper on cardboard and adding beads to the side. Then we add it to the dresser.
And here's the finished room. Thank you so much for watching.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in another
Summer
Summer Alea
Alea
DIY.